morning, students. Today we start with a new chapter of geography, that is minerals and energy resources. Now, you all know that you people use the different kind of things in your daily life which are made up of metal. Can you list them? That which all things which you use in your house are made up of metals? You may say utensils are there. Let's say you're using the television is there, refrigerator is there, toys of the children are there, and so on. But have you ever thought that where do these metals come from? Well, children, minerals are an indispensable part of our lives, which means minerals cannot be separated from our life. They are part of our life. We cannot imagine a life without minerals. As almost everything on this earth which we use, let's say from a tiny pin to a huge towering building or a big ship, all are made up of minerals. Then there are railway lines, roads, machineries, car, buses, trains, aeroplanes, and so on. They all are manufactured from the minerals. That means in every stage of life, we need minerals for our development. Do you know, human beings have used minerals for their livelihood, decoration, festivals, religious ceremonies, and so on. This shows that minerals are a very important part of our lives. But what are minerals? Children, minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. Means minerals are found beneath this earth and they are ranging from the hardest diamond to the softest talc. Do you know, these rocks which we found on the earth, they are the combination of the homogeneous substances, different substances which are called minerals. And at the same time, majority of the rock consists of several minerals in different proportion. And you all know that over 2000 minerals have been identified, and among them only few are abundantly used. And these minerals, they are of wide range in colors, let's say hardness, crystal forms, luster, density, and geologists use these properties to classify the minerals into different categories. Now, let's see how the geologists have classified the minerals into different categories. If you see, there is a flow chart on your screen which says that minerals have been classified into metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, and energy minerals. When we talk about a metallic mineral, the word itself is telling you that these are those minerals which have one or more metal and they are the good conductor of heat and electricity. So these metallic minerals are being further classified into three categories. First one is the ferrous. And do you know that these ferrous minerals, they account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production, and they provide a very strong base for the development of the metallurgical industries. So ferrous minerals are iron, let's say an iron ore, means the hardest substances, manganese, nickel, cobalt, etc. If we talk about the, let's say the non-ferrous minerals, now non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which in India we have a reserve of these minerals, not so much. And the minerals which we have under non-ferrous is copper, lead, tin, bauxite, and so on. Then we have some precious minerals, very precious minerals, and you all know about these precious minerals, like when we talk about gold, silver, platinum, etc. Now if we come on the non-metallic minerals are those minerals which are not a very good conductor of heat and electricity. And at the same time, they are telling you that these non-metallic minerals are mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, sandstone, and so on. Then we come on the last classification of mineral, that is the energy resources. Now children, you know that energy is required for all kind of an activities. It is needed to cook, let's say to provide light and heat. At the same time, for the vehicles and for the machineries to be driven in the industries. And these energy minerals are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Now the next thing comes, where exactly these minerals occur? Where are these minerals found? Children, do you know minerals are usually found in ores. Now, if we talk about the ores is used to describe an accumulation of the minerals mixed with the other elements. And these minerals, they have been formed in the different ways. So if you see the minerals which have been formed or where they have been found, they have been categorized into the 5 different categories. And if we start, we have the first one is with the igneous and a metamorphic rock, means the minerals which have been found in the igneous and metamorphic rock, they occur in the cracks or a faults or joints over there. And when these joints or faults, they become larger, they are called lodes. And they have been found when minerals in liquid and molten gases and are forced to move upward through the cavities. With the passage of time, they cool and solidify. So major metallic minerals are tin, copper, zinc, lead, which have been obtained by means of veins or lodes. Then we have the minerals which occurs in the sedimentary rocks, in the beds or layers. Now these have been formed because of the deposition which is brought down by the river with the passage of time. And the deposit, it accumulate and concentrate over there. So coal and some form of iron ore have been formed because of the, let's say, the deposition of the things brought down by the river, and these, they concentrate over there for a long periods due to greater heat and pressure. And the sedimentary minerals which have been found over here are gypsum, potash, salt, sodium salt, and so on. Then the another mode of formation involves the decomposition of surface rocks, and this happens because of the, let's say, weathered material. Now bauxite is formed in this way. Then certain minerals, children, are being found in the alluvial deposit, that is the rivers which bring the alluvial deposit in sands or the valleys. And these deposits are also known by the name of placer deposits and generally contains minerals like gold, silver, tin, and platinum. And the last one, the ocean water, also contains a vast quantity of minerals, but most of these are too widely to be spread. So the common minerals are common salt, magnesium, and bromine. They have been largely derived from the ocean beds.